girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Sometime, but I should stick around for one. Always felt like sticking around the same experience love. And like guns with the aching, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me, low down, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you even managing to keep straight faces and all the pictures that I've seen lately? Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we could've waited. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You shared stories when you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shifted your focus, let's look at jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around when you chase it. You wanna hit me up when you make it.
Let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying that in nature. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make me smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Lil vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort, so I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato. When Shawty get in the work, I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or ignorant with perks. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make me tries. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? Or is it peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. But that gorgeous face that don't know your name, it ain't important, baby, cause I'm on mine.
Fantasy,
wow.
I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
just always feel like there is something you got. Obvious you're pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl. Hope you're not too busy. There's nothing wrong. Got this little song for you to get ready to put those fucking heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that dress on and work it, kinda vicious, like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down, down, down. Shut it down, down, down. You be the baddest girl around.
Today, you guys, I am doing a review for Geeta Hair, and I have worked with them in the past, but I haven't worked with them as common as I do with like other companies. So it's always a pleasure to work with them because they are definitely one of my favorite like underground, like hidden gem type of companies. Definitely love them. They always give me fire units, and today is no different. This is a beautiful curly unit. As you guys know, the summer is finally here, and it is the perfect time to get your hands on a unit like this because it's perfect for everyday wear, for vacation, for a beach day, pool party, you name it. This is the perfect unit for every occasion this summer and beyond. So this unit is, I believe, about a 24-inch or so. It's the perfect length for me, and it also has a decent density to it as well. I'm not mad at that at all. And it also has layers in the front, which I like, because at first I was gonna like flip it on this side, but I have it like over here, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's like layers. It's like shorter here, and then it gets longer down here. So I really do like that, and that way it kind of helps like frame the face a little bit too. And then as far as parting space for this one, I would say this is just, you know, your typical 13x4, nothing too crazy. On the sides, it's definitely minimal parting space on the sides. The tracks start here, but it all goes into like a little curve, and then it just kind of like keeps going back here. But yeah, you guys can kind of see like how much space you get on the side. Hopefully you guys can see that. And let me like just zoom you in. Like the lace is right here, but can you see it? Exactly, you know? Like she just does it for me. Like I just love this unit. Like they did their big one. Now, all in all, y'all, I really love this texture. Like the texture itself is just like amazing, and it almost gives you like a crimped kind of look. So if you like to crimp your hair, then this is definitely going to be the perfect unit for you because it's so pretty. It's just like the perfect wave pattern. Me personally, I like wavy textures more than I like the really tight curls, because those tend to have like more maintenance. Like they need more maintenance. They tend to shed more. But with something like this, it's lower maintenance, you know, it's not as curly, it's less likely to tangle and shed. So that prolongs the longevity. That means that the unit is definitely going to last a lot longer for you. And all in all, this is just such a beautiful unit. But I am going to stand up though, so you guys can see like where it's hitting on me and everything. For reference, I am 5'2", and this unit is like 24-inch. See, I can see. Well, I don't know, do I need to stand up? You can kind of see it already. This is the back. I just think this is so fire. Like, excuse me, y'all see them waves? Do you see this? Stop playing with me. Please stop playing, okay? To have this kind of vibe going for you. This is still really fire. Y'all see how smooth that is? No tracks or anything showing. It just looks so good. Like, I absolutely love this unit, and I know a lot of you guys are gonna like it as well. So if you're interested in checking it out and you want to give it a try yourself, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Geeta Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this amazing unit, because it's definitely going to be a staple this summer. Like, I am definitely going to be wearing her and putting her into rotation because it's too bomb, and it's also very like lightweight. Oh, you know what, you guys, I almost forgot. Okay, so I almost forgot to mention that this unit is It does have the adjustable straps in the inside. However, I took mine out only because I felt like the straps in the back are just fine for me. It has a very nice snug fit, and if you have like a smaller head, this is going to be perfect for you because you don't have to worry about that extra gap in the back. Because with a lot of units that have the adjustable strap or whatever in it, or any type of extra straps that are inside, sometimes like a lot of these, well, I would say some companies now, they're only putting that in the unit, and so it's making like it very difficult for me to rock certain units because they're too big for me. They fit very loose, but this one is nice and snug all the way around. The lace didn't buckle, it laid super flat, it fits me perfectly, and I do like the quality of this unit. Like the hair is just bomb. Okay, yeah, shout out to Geeta Hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.